Hello YouTube, it's Mr. Rivera. I'm here at the layout again. I hope you guys really enjoyed this demonstration of the scaled trains Tier 4 GEVOs. This is the second run, as I showed you guys a couple months ago on my unboxing. This is a kind of a product overview. Now you got to see them in action. This is the first time I actually had a chance to really run all of them together, and I wanted to show them all on video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is awesome. For those who might have missed out on the first run and was lucky enough to get the second run, not much has changed in the tooling. I just wanted to show one thing real quickly here. Right here in this video, you see that this is the first run of the Tier 4 GEVO. You notice in the rear, in the rear grill area, that if you see, there is like an X brace behind the radiator grill in the back, but it wasn't painted in the primer gray. So you can't, you can see it, but it's very hard to see. But now look at the second run. As I scroll over, you see that X brace right there in between the handrails? That's now painted on all the versions of this second run. So you'll see there's more detail to see with the improvements that they've made. But overall tooling, the ESU loc sound, the sound file is still the same. The roller bearing caps, all the details still here. If you look at them both from a distance, they're exactly identical as far as the paint. They use that true color paint again. Scale Trains once again has raised the bar to a new level of model railroading, and they just continue to do that with all the releases of all the models that they keep announcing. And again, the ESU loc sound, I can't say enough. You see how it crawls at 128 speed step. It just moves so smoothly. Every locomotive has a perfect speed match to it as well. So the tooling, not only in the motor and the drivetrain, it's just excellent on all their engines. It's just well done on Scale Trains' part. Now, if you guys had missed out on the second run, and obviously maybe the first run, and didn't have the money to pick up the second run or what have you, they have already announced a third run already for 2019. So get your pre-orders in today, guys. I would, if you're the kind of person who likes modern diesels and you do contemporary layout, this is definitely an engine you might want to consider picking up. I've already picked up enough of them. I think this is definitely a home run for anybody out there who's looking for this. So it's available in Union Pacific, BNSF, Norfolk Southern, CSX, as well as Canadian National. I did not get this Canadian National version. Maybe next time I might, but either way, there's plenty of choices, plenty of road names, plenty of road numbers to pick from too. So make sure you get your pre-orders in for the 2019 run. Guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it.